My cousin accidentally called the police because of a Roomba at like 2 a.m. He bought this super cheap robot vacuum online. Weird brand, no instructions, which should have been a warning already. Anyway, one night we heard buzzing downstairs, loud buzzing. My cousin thought someone broke into the house, so he grabbed a baseball bat and went downstairs half asleep. Bro, the Roomba was just spinning in circles in complete darkness. But then it somehow connected to the neighbor's Bluetooth speaker and started blasting distorted carnival music at 2 in the morning. My cousin panicked. He tried turning it off, but the Roomba suddenly drove out the front door, still playing creepy music. The neighbors thought it was some kind of prank. One guy called the police, and right when the cops showed up, the Roomba rolled directly into a storm drain, music still playing. They never found it again.